Hello. So today I thought I will do a little bit of a color swatch of our Full Nature collection. This is one of my favorite thing to do because you don't require any much effort, but you get to play with the watercolors. Yeah, okay, so let's start with santan. Okay, santan is our cream color. It's a really nice natural cream color. It's like it leans towards yellow, but it's not really yellow. It's a nice, you can use it for a lot of things like sand. Yeah, it's kind of like a white sand color. You can also use it because it's like a gouache. You can also use it as highlight in your painting. And if you mix it with the other colors, it makes a nice kind of creamy pastel colors. I'll show you later how you can do that. Right, so that's santan. The next color that I will swatch is this yellow, tanah liat. So it is the color of tanah liat. It's a yellow ochre. Look at that, it's so pigmented and really beautiful natural yellow. And if you just water it down, it goes to a quite nice almost floral yellow. Oh, I like this color a lot, and it's also great for mixing. Next color, let's swatch this blue. So our paints, they are in the dry form, so you want to put some water in it gently to wake it up, and then it will activate and give you a lot of pigment. There, look. We call this color senja color because senja color means dusk, because it's like the color when you put it really thick, concentrated like this. It's like the color of the night sky when it's just about to turn dark, when it's about to turn night, at twilight. So I just love it when it's dark. But it's also, look at that, when you put I'm just going with the water here and bring the paint down. It waters down to a really beautiful summer sky color. So this is our primary blue. It's really gorgeous, and you can do a lot with this. The range is quite big. You can get it super dark nighttime, and also a really nice summer sky color. Right, okay, let me write down the names of those. So that is santan, tanah liat, and senja color. Okay, so the next color we will do is let's do our green. Okay, we call this color hutan, which means forest, because just look at that color. That's just the right color for the Malaysian rainforest. It's a kind of a dark green, but really natural. It's not like it's bright kind of green. It's, if you just dab it and you get you dab it in a circle, already turns into a tree, because the color is such a natural tree leaves green, you see. And all right, what should I do next? Next color is let's try brick. Right, brick or batu bata. Batu bata is our brown orange color. It looks brown now, so concentrated it looks like the brick terracotta that that you can use for buildings, painting buildings, but when you water it down, it goes into a pretty nice natural orange. Yes, beautiful. Okay, so that's done. Batu bata. Next we will do the red. Yes, okay, let's do red. This is our tanah merah, so, or Indian red. It's like, it's the color of red soil. Oh wow, look at that, it's really gorgeous. What I like to do with this color, even if I don't have a red in my painting, I like to splash, do a little splash of the red, or little dots here and there of this natural red, because it gives like a pop, but without, you know, making it too obvious. So your eye is drawn to red, you know, the human eye is drawn to red, and this nice red calls attention to the painting without actually you realizing it. Yeah, okay, I'll write down the names. So this is hutan, batu bata, and here is tanah merah. Right, so what color we haven't done? Okay, I will do ungu mare, right? Ungu mare or Mars violet. It's a really beautiful color. It looks brown now, but when it dries, you will see it's like a purplish purplish brown. Yeah, and also it granulates. This trying to granulate now. As it dries, you will see. So it gives a really nice natural granulation. So I like it to actually paint Mars or Mare with this, or you can also paint the surface of the moon or a mountain with you know, the natural texture of this color will give it that natural look to your painting. Okay, so that's 7 colors. The next, the last color is this black. We call it angkasa. So this is a black ochre. It's a natural black. It's, you know, I love it so much. Although I don't use it a lot by itself, except to paint like the night sky mixed with some blue. But yeah, this color is great for mixing, because when you have this black in your palette, this natural black, you can thicken up, no, you can darken the color of the other paints. So for example, if you add it to hutan, you get a really dark green that is quite beautiful. And if you add it to Sinja color, you get like a Prussian blue. Right, so oh, I'll swatch another color. This is a special unreleased color called Mawar. Yes, if you have bought Mawar, if you have bought the Full Nature collection at our launch, you might be one of the lucky people who have got Mawar in your package as a surprise gift. So this color is a primary red, is kind of magenta, but when I look at it, it's just really like a rose color. So that's why I call it rose. It's just a really beautiful red that diluted, it becomes pink. It's really beautiful there. Right. So this is one gallery. Okay. And maybe here I'll do some color mixes that I like. For example, I like the mix of Senja color and batu bata. Okay, I'll show you. So that's Senja color. I will get a break in there. What happens is it makes quite a lovely gray. So, oh, sorry, it's this one. So, yeah, so this is leaning towards green, but you could also make it brown. Yeah, so I like these two color mixes, and let's try mixing the angkasa black with the green hutan. So hutan and black. It's going to get you a nice dark green. Yeah, so that's quite beautiful. Let's try mixing santan. Okay, santan. What's great about santan is because it behaves like a gouache. You can use it for highlights after you finish with your painting. Let's say you're painting a flower meadow. You can use santan mixed with another color to paint the flowers on top of the, let's say, the meadow. So here I mix mawar with santan and I get this. Look at that. It's a beautiful pastel color. Let's do another mix with santan. Mix it with the blue. Oh, that's too much blue. Yeah, you get this pastel blue, almost like a robin's egg blue, but it's really pretty. So those are the colors in our Full Nature collection. So I hope you will enjoy them. Thank you.